Hello students, welcome to our today's online class. Our today's topic is competency based questions from average chapter. I hope all of you have a math sheet like this. You can see a math sheet on the screen and you have this sheet. So open question number 5, that is average. Today we will do from number 1. At first let's see question number 1. Question number 1 asks, the average age of father and 3 sons is 17 years. The age of father is 38 years. Question number A asks, what is the total age of them all? Question number B asks, what is the sum of the ages of 3 sons? And question number C asks, if the average age of mother and 3 sons is 15 years, what is the age of the mother? For starting average today, we just want to know, or we just want to review the formula of average. The formula of average was that average is equal to sum of quantities divided by number of quantities. All of you know this question. I think all of you know this formula. Now this sum of quantities actually is called total. All right, total sum or total of something. Okay, and number of quantities means number of person or number of things like this. So my question is that what is total? If average is given and number of quantities is given, so what is the sum of quantities? What is sum of quantities? That means sum of quantities or total is equal to total, that means sum of quantities. There is a formula also, just the opposite formula, that means total or sum of quantities is equal to average times number. Average times number. For example, say average age of 2 friends. Say for an example, average age of 2 friends is 15 years. What is their total age? What is their total age? If this is a question, this is a short question, that means the average is given and there are 2 friends, so we need to find the total age. So we know total is equal to average times number, that means 15. The answer will be, this is a short question, like 15 times 2, because 15 is their average age and 2 friends are there, so 15 times 2, 30. So their total age is 30 years. I hope you understand. Today we will just use this formula to solve the question. Let's begin solving question number 1. You can see question number 1 on the screen. The average age of father and 3 sons is 17 years. Here you see there are total 4 persons, father and 3 sons. Father is 1 person and 3 sons 3 person, total there are 4 persons, right? So number A says, what is the total age of them all? Total age, so we can write, we know total age is equal to average age times number of persons or number of people, number of persons or people. So average age is 17 years, which is given already in the question. Average age is 17 and there are 4 persons, 1 father and 3 sons, total 4 persons. So 17 times 4, this is their total age. So if we multiply 7 4s are 28, in hand 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6, 68 years. This is the answer of number A. I hope you understand. Now we move to next question, question number B. What is the sum of ages of 3 sons? Here the total age of 3 sons and father total is 68 years. 68 years. Here 68 years is total age of father and 3 sons, right? But in the question says age of father is 38 years. So what is the answer of number B? Number B we can write like this: total age of father and 3 sons, is equal to 68 years. Age of father is equal to 38 years, which is given in the question. Now if we subtract this one, we can write age of 3 sons. Age of 3 sons is equal to, if we subtract here, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, 30 years. So this is the answer of number B. Total age of father and 3 sons is 68 years, which already we have solved in number A. And in number B, we have to find the number or the age of 3 sons. So total age of 3 sons is equal to 68 minus 38, because father's age is 38. So we subtract and we get our answer. Now read question number C carefully. If the average age of mother and 3 sons is 15 years, what is the age of mother? Now again there is given an average age 15 years, which is including mother and 3 sons, and already we know that 3 sons age is 30. So at first we need to find the total age of mother and 3 sons, and then we solve. So let's open a free space and then do the math again. Number C, we want to do question number C. We want to solve question number C. So we go to a free page, free space, and then start number C. This is number C. C numbers asks, so at first we need to find the total age of mother and 3 sons. Total age of mother and 3 sons is equal to 15 times 4, right? 15 is the average and there are 4 persons, mother plus 3 sons, that means 4 persons. 15 times 4 years is equal to 60 years. If we multiply, we get 60 years. So 60 years is mother plus 3 sons, but 3 sons age is 30. We have already got in number B. So the answer of number B is 30. So we now subtract this 30 years, we will get the mother's age. Therefore age of mother is equal to, total age of mother and 3 sons is 60, so we write 60, and here we just subtract the age of 3 sons. The age of 3 sons is 30 years, which already we got in number B. So the answer will be 30 years. If we subtract, 60 minus 30 is equal to 30 years. So age of mother is 30 years. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, just repeat the video. It will help you to understand the math. Now we want to move on to our next question, question number 2. So let's find question number 2. On the screen you can see the question. Just now you can see better. Read the question first. This is pretty like number 1. So I just want to solve number A at first. The average age of father and his 2 sons is 22 years. in the first line. The second line says the average age of mother and her two sons is 18 years. The age of mother is 30 years. Question number A asks, what is the average age of the sons? That means at first we need to find the age of two sons. So we can write, we know total age of mother and two sons is equal to 18 times 3. Here there are 3% because mother and two sons, 3%, and 18 is their average age. So 18 times 3 years will be their total age, which is 54 years. If you multiply, you can get it. You just do rough 18 times 3, right? 18 times 3, 3 times 8 is 24, in hand 2, 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5. Like this you have to do rough. So 54 years is their total age, but the age of mother is 30 years. So age of two sons, at first we need to find the age of two sons. Age of two sons is equal to 54 minus 30. 54 is age of 3%, but age of mother is 30. So if we subtract 30, we will get the age of two sons here. Age of two sons. Age of two sons is 24. 54 minus 30 will be 24 years. Now we want to find the average of two sons. Therefore, average age of two sons. Average age of the sons will be 24 divided by 2, because we know to find the average we need to divide 24 by 2, because there are two persons only, two sons, there are two sons, so we divide it by 2. So their average age will be 12 years, which completes our question number A. So I hope you understand. Now we move on to our next question, question number B. What is the age of father? Now we move on to our next question, question number B. Here question number B asks, what is the age of father? So at first we can write total age of father and two sons is equal to 22 times 3. Why 22 times 3? Because the average age is 22. Father and two sons, average age is 22, and there are 3%. So 22 times 3. 22 times 3 will be 66 years. Now we already know the age of two sons. Age of two sons is 24, right? Therefore, age of father. So only father's age. Age of father is equal to 66 minus age of two sons is 24. 66 minus 24 years. That means if we subtract this, we will get the answer as 42 years. So this is the answer of number B. Now we move on to our next question, question number C. What is the average age of all family members? So number C asks for average age of all family members. That means we need to write the formula at first, because if we don't write the formula, you cannot get full marks. So at first we write formula. We know average age is equal to total age divided by number of persons. Number of persons. This is the formula of finding average age. So what is total age? Total age means age of father plus age of mother. We know father's age is 42, mother's age is 30, and two sons age is 24, and there are four members, right? Father, mother, and two sons. Father 1 person, mother 1 person, and there are two persons, total 4 persons. So this is the average age years. So if we add all these numbers, we will get 96 by 4 years, and the answer will be 24. If we divide 96 by 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. This is the rough. So we will get 24 years as average age. So the average age of all family members is 24. This is the answer. I hope you understand. Now we want to move to our next question, question number 3. You can see question number 3 on the screen. Another problem involving age, average age. Question number 3, we want to read the question at first. The average age of Deepu and Opu is 27 years, and then the average age of Deepu and Tipu is 25 years. Tipu's age is 19 years. What is the total age of Deepu and Tipu? So number A, we can write, we know total age is equal to average age times number of persons. This is the formula to find total number of persons, total age. So average age of two people, that means Deepu and Tipu, average age of Deepu and Tipu is 25, and there are two persons, so this is their total age, 50 years. Now question number B, how many years old is Deepu? Here this total age 50 years is Deepu plus Tipu. Deepu plus Tipu actually 50 years, and Tipu, in the question already asked, Tipu is 19 years old. So what is the age of Deepu? So we can write here total age of Deepu and Tipu is equal to 50 years. Now we can write age of Tipu is equal to 19 years. Now we want to subtract. If we subtract, we can write age of Deepu is equal to 31 years. If we subtract, we just get the answer. I hope you understand. Now we move to our next question. What is the average age of Deepu, Opu and Tipu? So we now know the age of Deepu and Tipu, but we don't know the age of Opu. Now we want to find, at first we want to find the age of Opu at first. So here we can write total age of Deepu and Opu is equal to 27 times 2 years, because their average age is 27. There are two persons, so 27 times 2 will be their total age, 54 years. 54 years is Deepu and Tipu, but age of Deepu, already we know age of Deepu is 31. Age of Deepu is 31. So what is the age of Opu? Age of Opu will be 54 minus 31, because Deepu is 31 years old. So if we subtract 31, we will get age of Opu. So if we subtract, we will get 23 years as answer. Now we want to find the average age of them all. Finally, we can write, we know, at first we write the formula, we know average age is equal to total age divided by number of persons. All right, so total age is equal to of them all, that means Deepu plus Opu plus Tipu. Deepu's age is 31, Opu's age is 23, and Tipu's age is 19, right? 19. So if we add all these 3 divided by 3, this is their average age. So average age is 73 divided by 3 years. This is a fraction number, no problem. If the answer is fraction, you just make it mixed fraction. 73 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12. So the mixed fraction will be 24 and 1 by 3 years. This is their average age. I hope you understand. This was our today's class. There we have already solved 3 questions. I hope you will practice this question at home. So your today's homework will be CW is HW. That means question number 1, 2 and 3 from average. Alright, this is goodbye from today. Hope we will meet again in the next class. Till then, goodbye.